channel again, and if you haven't already, I would like you guys to click to the subscribe button and the notification icon and get notified whenever I post any video right here. Today's tutorial is going to be on geography now, and geography now on topography in Dubai, which topography is a natural form of land, how the structure of the land is being formed and how it is being used. Now in topography, what we look at, the select components we look at is mostly the circulation of a region. The circulation of a region, in some region you see where the road has bend, has curve in some region, while in some region they have straight roads, and while in some region we find hills, mountains in some region. So that can said to be the topographical structure of such region. So today we're going to be using Google Earth to search on the topography of Dubai. So let's see how Dubai looks like right here on our tutorial. So if you haven't already, I would like you guys to click to the subscribe button and the notification icon and get notified whenever I post any video right here on this channel. Stay tuned with me. My name is Godwin Abogoye from Amedola's Properties. So stay tuned. So right here on this video, we'll be going straight to our Google Earth, searching for Dubai. So let's hold on, let's do this together. And so here is Dubai. Let's check what is the topography of Dubai. With careful sampling is the buyer. Now this is the layout of Dubai here on Google Earth. This is the layout. You can see the Pamela design right here in Dubai, and on the Pamela design in Dubai you can see it's inside the water. So all these places are being landfill with sand, so they can actually build a structure right here in Dubai. So this is how it looks like in Dubai. Let's go down to the Pamela design. Let's see how it looks in it. As you can see, all this place, they are filled up, no structure yet on it. These are new designs. There are no structures here on it, while in the other ones we can find structure in it, like this ones. There are sectors in it already. You can see it has been laid out. There are activity going on here in this region, while the movement of vehicles, the movement of calls, the movement of goods and services makes it a functional region inside the ocean. As you can see, Dubai is such a wonderful place that you will love to be. So the topography here is actually talking about, look at this road here in Dubai, the road curve. Look at the curve. You can take a look at this curve right here in Dubai. This is said to be the topography of that region, and mostly it's a desert region. Sand is all over Dubai. Wow, what an amazing place. So take a look at this carefully and look at here. They introduce a landscape, a soft landscape here, so to make an aesthetic, physical, pleasant environment in Dubai. So we can see how Dubai is being designed here. And funny enough, if you check out the topography of this place, it is a desert, and they don't even have neighboring countries close. So Dubai is blessed with internal combustion model, because if it isn't for internal combustion model, they won't have achieved this settlement. So the settlement is actually down. So this is how the topography of Dubai is. So stay tuned on this channel. So if you haven't already, I would like you guys to click to the subscribe button and notification icon and get notified whenever I post any video right here on this channel. So we'll be looking at our imagery on the topography of a settlement. So just check these pictures I've posted right here. So don't go anywhere. I will post many more videos right here on this channel. Stay tuned.